In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the assessment section on Indeed. We're going to keep this quick and simple so you can find exactly what you need without wasting time clicking around. This process works smoothly on a computer in Chrome, and if you're on your phone, you can follow the same general flow using a mobile web view. To begin, open Chrome and go to Indeed.com. If you're using a mobile device instead, open your browser and load the Indeed website there. Once the page has opened, make sure you're on the correct site and allow it a moment to fully load, especially if your connection is a little slow. Next, sign in to your Indeed account. If you're already signed in, you can move straight to the next part. If not, enter your login details and complete the sign-in process. Be sure you're logging into the account where your profile and job-related activity are stored, since that's where the assessment section will appear. After you're signed in, look toward the top right corner of the screen and find your profile icon. On desktop, this is usually easy to spot in the upper right area of the Indeed page. On mobile web view, the layout may look slightly different, but your account or profile access point should still be available near the top of the screen or inside the main menu. Click or tap the profile icon to open your account options. From there, select Profile. This will take you to your Indeed profile page where your job seeker information, qualifications, and other related sections are organized in one place. Once you're on the profile page, scroll down until you reach the assessment section. Depending on how much information is already listed in your profile, you may need to scroll a bit further before you see it. Take your time and look carefully through the page so you don't skip past it. And that's it. Once you've reached the assessment section, you'll be in the right place to review that part of your Indeed profile. If you're following along on mobile, just remember that some buttons and sections may be stacked differently, but the same path still applies. Sign in, open your profile, and scroll down to Assessments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly find the assessment section on Indeed.